Hi garden friends, so I'm out here about to make a small arrangement in this round Hypertufa planter, and I'll show you the plants that I have for it. I've got this little tree. This is a Sedeveria blue elf, and it's a little pale right now because it hasn't received much light. I also have here Crassula Tom Thumb, and these are starting to create little bloom stalks. I also have an Echeveria Lola. Look at that, it's starting to become purple again. So beautiful. Also an Echeveria Tahiti. So it's one of the ruffled ones. Oh, super pretty. And I have two PVNs, or Perle Nürnbergs. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Look at that, how pink they are. All right, so I'm gonna get started. And I'm first gonna put my little plastic screen, my drainage hole there, and grab some soil. And this is good old cactus soil as it comes. And I like to use EB Stone brand. I'm gonna fill it all the way to the top. All right, I think that'll be enough. And I'd like to start with the biggest one, the Tahiti here, and I wanna put it right here. And let's see, it's got a pretty long stem there, so I'm gonna have to dig a little deeper. And I wanna kind of lean it on the edge. Kind of like that, yeah, that's good. You really anchor it down by pressing down the soil around the stem there. Okay, so that's a good start. That looks beautiful. Okay, so now I think I'll go with, this one's really tall, so I think I'll go with this one. And how should I put it? Should I put it like this or like this? So if I put it like this and then I put the Crassula, so let me check this out real fast. Yeah, I think that'll be good. All right, so let me make my well here in the back. This is another tall one. Big root ball. So, okay, so I decided to go this way. So I'll gently tuck it in. Uh-oh. Right, now that that's in, I'm gonna move on to my Crassula, and I'll put that in the back, right over here. Let's see, how do I, so this is coming apart, so let me put it back together how I would like it to look. Let's see if it'll stay that way. Okay, and even though it's kind of leaning forward, I think it'll be fine. So I'll just tuck it in right in the back. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to fit all these three other succulents in there, but we'll see. So I'm gonna press those stems in. I'm gonna grab a bit more soil. Fill this area up. There we go. I'm gonna shift it to the back here. Press it down. Okay, not bad. Let me grab that little stem there. Okay. It's okay. This one's just so big that it's taking up most of the space here. Okay, so let's see. So I for sure want the Lola. But I also wanted the PVN, but maybe it's just gonna be the Lola. Oh man, that's a little disappointing. It's okay. Maybe I'll be able to get a PVN in there. Okay, so put that one in there, tuck it in, press down on that soil so you can anchor it down. Just make sure. Okay, it's pretty good. Add a little bit more soil there. Shift it to the back there. There we go. And I'll go for the smaller PVN, and I'm gonna try my best and squeeze it in. Too bad couldn't fit that second one. Thought it would make a good balance, but didn't work out that way. Grab those roots. Gently tuck it in there. Okay, that worked. I'm gonna grab my knitting needle. And I'm gonna tuck those roots in the back there that I can't reach. Okay, and I'm gonna shift that soil right on top of them. And there's a hole there. I don't like it. I don't like when there's a hole like right in the middle. Do I have any other plant? Nah, I think I'll just leave the hole there, and I'll just shift that Lola just to the back there without hurting the Crassula. Maybe shift that Sedeveria. All right. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, I like it. I'm gonna add some stones to this one. But first, let me dust it off a bit. I hope everyone's happy for the weekend. I am. It's been beautiful here so far. Not too hot, which is good. I'm gonna grab my little blower here. Blow some of that dust off my succulents. Okay. I'm gonna grab my stones. I'm gonna start gradually filling where you can see the soil. Press them down so they won't be all mounded up. Okay, I'm gonna try and get them right in the center there. Use my needle to shift them around. And I'll water this one immediately since I didn't use any cuttings and none of them need to dry. So I'll give it a nice deep watering. And let's see, can I fit any more? Maybe in there. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, that's about done. That turned out to be really pretty, actually. I like the colors. Give it one last little clean up here, and it's picture perfect. Oh, There we go. Now that's a cute little combination in this round little pot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, happy weekend, guys, or happy Friday. Bye.